Hello, welcome. Question number 4, WASSCE 2025 Further Mathematics for Ghanaian Students. We are to resolve 2x squared plus 7x plus 33 divided by x cubed plus x squared minus what? 11x into a partial what? Fraction. Now, if you check the playlist, I have a tutorial on resolving rational function into partial fraction. All the steps that you need, the various tricks in each of the approach is in there. So here we are only picking the first one, which is what? 2x squared 7x 33 divided by x cubed x squared 11x. Now, if you look at your denominator, you can see x is common to all of them. So let's factorize that part first and see. So we have 2x squared 7x 33. If you factorize the x out, we are left with x squared plus x minus 11. So now what are we having? We are having product of two terms in here, the x and the bracket. So we focus on the bracket. It is a quadratic. Let's see whether it is reducible or it's a non-reducible word, quadratic function. Factors of 11, when we add, we get 1. It will be impossible to get. That is, we can solve it using factorization unless other means. So this is taken as a quadratic term, non-reducible. This is taken as a single linear term. So we are going to resolve this into two partial fractions, where this is going to be the same or equivalent to a as a number we are looking for divided by x plus bx plus c, representing quadratic term divided by x squared x minus what? 11. So this right here is equivalent to this. Now, we can resolve it if we take care of the denominator. So we multiply by this bracket. If we multiply by this bracket, only the numerators will stay. Meaning I'll be having 2x squared 7x 33 equals to, multiply by this, x will cancel this, remaining the bracket. So a will now multiply x squared x minus 11 plus, my bond is still small, so if I multiply here, remember all this will be cancelling this, remaining x. So that x will multiply bx plus what? C. Alright. What do we do? There are two steps we follow. Finding the comparison, you compare the coefficient of similar term, or you do eliminating tactics. You eliminate one of the variable a, b, c by replacing x with something that can take care of that variable in there. So if I look into it, if x is 0, it means that I will be eliminating the b and the c. Whatever in the bracket times 0 will give me 0. So b, c will be taken care of, remaining only a. So a can be found. So here I am only going to say that let x equals to what? 0. That is, eliminate a, let x equal to 0. If you do so, 0 will be here, 0 will be here, you'll be left with 33 equals to a 0 0. So negative 11 what? A. Fast forward, you can have your a equals to negative 33 divided by 11, which is negative what? 3. Don't forget, the negative can be in the down or the top. Result will be the same. Alright. To eliminate the a, we cannot easily get the value because of the square. So this cannot be eliminated. So what do? We have to expand them now and compare the corresponding terms. Pardon me, I have a code, so my voice is not that audible. So I think you can bear with me. If I pick the left side, okay, expand and compare, okay, corresponding what? Term. So I'll maintain. So if you expand, remember this will multiply this, So I still have ax squared plus ax minus 11a x times this will give you plus bx squared. Then I have plus cx. Okay, that's it. So let's see, we are comparing the square term, the x square term. If I compare the x square term by comparison, okay, let's say comparing if I compare that, whatever in front of x squared is 2, all this will be eliminated, equals to, this is going to be a, because something in front of x squared, I have b. So we can see all the variable is gone, c is gone, b is there, a is known. So we can say that, but a equals to negative 3, making 2 equals to negative 3 plus what? B. Fast forward, let's maintain this, bring this one here. B will be equals to what? 5, if well placed. So what do we do? I think I have to focus on C, which has what? X term. So comparing the x term, not the x squared. Let's go for the x term. I will have 7 in here equals to a x and plus what? C. A is also known. What do? I still have 7 equals to minus 3 plus what? C. Making C equals to 10. So C is known, B is known, A is known. What do? We only replace the original term we have here, the A, B, and C, to find this fraction being what? Resolved. Is that okay? So here we only say, therefore, 2x squared 7x 33 divided by x cubed x squared 11x is equal or equivalent to, this is minus 3 on x, remember a is minus 3, plus b 5x plus c, what is this? 10. All these things divided by x squared x minus what? 11. So this become the actual fraction or the partial fraction of the rational function given to us in the beginning. I guess if you take your time and go through, you will get the understanding of what happened in here. Check the playlist for more. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and bye-bye.